Prepare to be enchanted by the seamless fusion of culinary tradition and technological innovation. Do you believe that the synergy between human creativity and mechanical precision is the secret ingredient to exquisite dining experiences? Join us as we venture into the realm of modern kitchen appliances, where each gadget is a testament to the ingenuity of culinary enthusiasts worldwide. Witness the magic unfold as we celebrate the harmonious collaboration between man and machine. Hit subscribe and be part of this culinary adventure. Who else thought they could just cut up a potato and fry it? Their factory produces a staggering amount of cookies, churning out 1,000 Twinkies every minute. The process is mesmerizing and the food looks delicious. Have you ever wondered what happens to macadamia trees after being harvested by our farmers? There was a piece of bread left on the claw that raised the handle. Wow! The juicer is also great. Just watching the video makes me feel refreshed. With these gems, you can unleash your creativity and transform them into countless delicious dishes for your family. From hot soups, rich braised dishes, fragrant stir-fried dishes to crispy fried dishes, all can be made easily. Smooth peeling roller combined with cleaning roller system brings very high productivity. Good work like herring, mackerel, or salmon, or heavier work like cod, haddock, salmon, or deep throat. The image of a woman diligently slicing meat for family meals always makes us appreciate and love her. However, now with the advent of raw meat slicers, kitchen work has become easier and faster than ever. automatic sawing machine with dual continuous cutting system. It includes a scanning system that allows the machine to produce weight sections according to preset thickness and weight parameters. Imagine a world where packing shrimp trays is easier, more efficient, and more flexible than ever, where you can rest assured that each tray of shrimp is safely sealed, ensuring the highest freshness and quality to consumers. Close your eyes and imagine you are standing in the middle of a rural market in the early morning. The salty scent of the sea blends with the resounding calls of fish sellers. The fish is put into the mill. The sharp blade rotates, creating a bustling sound. Instead of struggling with sharp blades, struggling to cut each piece of chicken neck, welcome the Chicken Neck Grinder, a powerful assistant to help you conquer all delicious dishes. The passionate aroma, mixed with the spicy taste, stimulates the sense of smell. The sharp blade glides gently over the surface of the sausage, revealing the brilliant red swirls hidden inside. Chicken meat is pureed with a meat grinder or food processor to create dog food. This process helps strip the chicken. This meat mixer has a huge size, with the ability to mix up to tons of meat every day. Hey meat lovers, let's admire the machine. Canned tuna processing plant. Are you hungry? I will make tuna omelette and steak burgers. Great Mast Frozen Tuna Factory. They cut a large amount of tuna a day at extremely low temperatures to make delicious sashimi. This potato cutter is a great choice for me. Korea's state-of-the-art chain plant produces 100,000 units a day. This ice cream factory can produce thousands of ice cream per hour. Did you know that the meat produced by these machines reminds me of mushroom rolls? Mushroom meat rolls in the hot pot are the perfect combination of protein from meat and vitamins and minerals from mushrooms. The ham tree, which is the size of a house pillar, is an interesting biological phenomenon. The cutting machine has the ability to cut decisively and accurately, ensuring uniform thickness for each slice. Large piece of smoked pork, shiny dark brown color, radiating a mouth-watering aroma. Fatty mixed with a passionate smoky flavor. When you eat it, you will be fascinated. You will never forget it. With sweet cutting lines, the salami sausage slicer brings perfect slices to your dish. Buy yourself a salami slicer now. High-speed soup packet filling machine into noodle cups is an automatic device used to quickly and accurately put soup packets into noodle cups. This machine is often used in instant noodle factories. With a flexible rotary pot filling and sealing machine, high speed along with unlimited flexibility and performance have been elegantly integrated. This design not only meets current needs, but also opens the door for future investment. Imagine you are lost in a cookie factory, where delicious cakes are born. The hot cookies are carefully placed on the conveyor belt, starting their adventure journey. Bite a piece of avocado ring, you will feel the softness melting in your mouth. The sweetness of butter blends with the fatty taste of milk, creating a perfect symphony of taste. Add a little fruit jam or fresh cream. You are holding a magical roly-poly straw in your hand. With just one simple step, you can turn it into a dish full of flavor. Gently roll the crispy wafer into your mouth, letting the sweet taste spread on your tongue, awakening all senses. Close your eyes and imagine your favorite snack. What does it taste like? Does it sound delicious? Is it brightly colored or simple and rustic? Oh my, what a masterpiece! Looking at the process of creating that dish tonight, my heart is even more excited and hungry than ever. Maybe because I watched each step passionately, unable to take my eyes off. The sweet scent of cocoa mixed with the rich taste of milk blends together, penetrating every sense. The piece of chocolate melts in the mouth, bringing an explosion of flavor, awakening every sensory cell. Feel the sophistication in each fish cream cake. Feel the perfect blend between the sweetness of the cake, the creaminess of the cream, and the unique flavor of each flavor, adding the coolness to create a feeling of refreshing this summer. Rhythmically pour. Each drop of essence flows out, weaving through the smooth nozzle. Gently cut and separate each ingredient, creating a mesmerizing work of art. Dried Fruit Bar Maker is a magical tool that helps you turn this seemingly dream into reality. Let the pineapple tray pasting line contribute to creating perfect pineapple products, giving consumers the best experience. The specialized vertical vegetable cutter is a modern device widely used in restaurants, industrial kitchens, and households. The machine is capable of cutting a variety of fruits and vegetables at a fast speed. Our mixer grinds ground meats, cheese, vegetables, grain mixes, protein mixes. Sugar beets, with their vibrant burgundy color, are fed into the cutter. The sweet aroma of beets permeates the air, stimulating the taste buds of those around. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. What I find striking is the way he works creatively and creatively. However, there are some who believe that his working style is wasteful and ineffective. In cleaning, the broom can be considered a simple but extremely effective tool. How you use it can reflect your skill and sophistication in handling daily tasks. Remember this painting trick. It is an important step to create a smooth and uniform surface on your product. During the painting process, an important tip to avoid paint spillage is to use a suitable covering material. This will keep the paint applied only on the desired surface without spreading beyond the scope. It's not just about the choice of tools, it's also about using them effectively. This way, you can ensure that every step you take on the mechanical path is a precision effort. By using quality duct tape, you can be sure that each part of your plumbing system is connected in such a way that no leaks occur during use. In the world of wrench users, an important trick that cannot be overlooked is wrapping a rope around the wrench handle to help hold it more securely. Remember, this small detail can be the deciding factor between a job being completed successfully. In your creative journey, remember one important secret. Combine the flexibility of a screw with the slipperiness of a bar of soap. Don't ignore a simple but useful tool, hangers. Hangers are not only a simple accessory for hanging things at the house, but can also become an important tool in the process of painting wooden panels. I really can't believe this worked. This gap has existed for a long time. I was about to rip the skirt apart to pull it back together when I saw this trick online, so I thought I'd give it a try, and it worked great. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this fascinating voyage through industrial food machinery. Your participation enriches our community, so be sure to engage with us by liking and commenting on this video. Get ready for more enriching insights in our forthcoming GoTech videos. Stay connected, stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
GoTech isn't just a conduit to unique experiences. Satisfying video is a wellspring of inspiration, continually elevating expectations and delivering astonishment through the latest technological breakthroughs worldwide. Don't miss out on the chance to delve into the captivating world of satisfying video content with GoTech.